Good morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on weather-wise around the area this morning. 30 degrees to start the day off at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury. Temperatures around the area ranging anywhere from the low 30s up to the mid 40s, depending on where you're located. And actually, the Mid-Carolina Airport is the coldest spot on the map this morning. If you look up toward the mountains, where Jefferson and Boone are, they're actually at 36 degrees. So it's actually warmer in the higher elevations of the state right now than it is right here in Rowan County. We've got 35 degrees here at the Weather Center in Atwell as well. So certainly a very chilly start to the day. We'll see conditions improve as we go through the day. We've got foggy conditions out there right now. It's some patchy fog around the area, and we'll see conditions improve to partly sunny skies as we head through the day. But then as we get to the evening hours, things start to change quite a bit as we'll see rain chances start to move in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bigger picture here, and you can see nationally we've got a line of snow making its way through the central part of the country and up into the northeastern part of the country, and that's getting pulled in behind this cold front that's making its way to the area. And as it gets closer, we'll see clouds on the increase. We will see winds start to really pick up, especially on the backside of this cold front. Saturday looks to be a very windy and chilly, just a really raw day for March standards in all reality, as it is going to be just frigid and windy and cold. The wind chills are going to have an impact on you tomorrow. And then as you look down toward the south here around the panhandle, you can see that we've got thunderstorms going on along the Gulf Coast there, right along the Panama City Beach area in Florida. And those will continue to move across the state of Florida as we go through the day today. But by the time this snow reaches us, it will actually transition over to all rain. It'll be snow in the mountains and the higher elevations. They can see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow up there, depending on locations. And those locations are going to vary greatly depending on where you are. You could see one area that has maybe an inch of snow, and then just a few miles down the road, they could be looking at 3 inches of snow. It's one of those situations to where the snow is going to pile up quickly in some areas and not so much in others. So it's going to be an interesting weekend for those folks up there, but something they're certainly accustomed to. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the model data, and we'll take a look. This is starting at 6 p.m. this evening, and you can see some scattered showers and maybe even some isolated thunderstorms will be in the area as we head to 7 p.m. This is Rowan County right here. Here's Kannapolis. Let's move in a little bit closer just to give you some context here. So there's Salisbury, Cleveland, China Grove, Rockwell, Kannapolis. Up here's Coulomie in Davie County. And then over here, we've got Denton over in Davidson County. And again, this is at 7 p.m. You see some isolated showers starting to make their way into the county. 8 p.m. still looking at things becoming isolated. By 9 p.m., we could see some more moderate to heavy pockets of rainfall making their way through the county. The rain is going to become more widespread. As we head into the overnight, you see just some pockets of rain that will continue to occur. As we get to 1 a.m., we start to get more of that widespread rain in. And then by 2 a.m., we could be looking at some thunderstorms going on around the county and the area. This is now 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. By 8 a.m., things are going to start to lighten up a little bit on Saturday morning. And then by 9 a.m., we start to really dry out as we head into the day on Saturday. So certainly something to keep an eye on. And again, as I mentioned, the temperature is going to really get cold. Our highest temperature is going to be at midnight tonight, looking at around 52 degrees at midnight tonight for the day on Saturday. And then it's just going to drop as we go through the day on Saturday, all the way down to around 19 degrees. So again, once we get this rain out of the way, conditions will not improve much in terms of the temperatures. We're going to have windy conditions going on. We're going to have freezing conditions going on as we get to the evening hours on Saturday. The one big win for us is the fact that it's going to be so windy during the day tomorrow. That'll probably dry the roads off before the sun goes down on Saturday, which will really eliminate any kind of real concern for any kind of icing accumulations on the road or anything like that. Let's take a look at what the Storms Prediction Center is calling for. So you see this darker shade of green here for the most of the county. That is a marginal risk for severe weather as we go into the evening hours and overnight hours tonight. So we'll certainly keep an eye on that. And then as we get into the day on Saturday, you see we've got just more of a lighter shade of green as that risk shifts over toward the eastern part of the state. So we've got a general thunderstorm risk for Saturday, and that really only applies to the morning hours on Saturday. As we get into the daytime, things will start to really improve in terms of rainfall. But again, that colder air is going to continue to hang around, and also windy conditions for us as well. So it's going to be a very chilly day as we go through the day on Saturday. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm, a word from our friends at Barnhart Jewelers. We'll come back. We'll give you the weather impacts for today, the pollen outlook, mowing forecast, and more. All that's coming up right after this.
Amy and I met each other on a website called Yahoo Personals that I don't even think is still around anymore, but it was basically a dating website. And we started talking to each other. I saw her picture and she was holding her little dachshund Lucy, and she just seemed like somebody I wanted to get to know. So we started talking to each other, chatting back and forth. And then eventually, as she got comfortable, we decided to meet each other. And our first date was actually here in Salisbury at Applebee's. So I actually proposed to her at a birthday party, which was my birthday party. I had finished opening all my gifts up, and I had one gift that was still sitting to the side that was in a bag that no one had any idea what it was. And when I reached down into the bag and opened it up, I said, out of all the presents I've gotten today, the best present for me would be if you would be my wife and spend the rest of your life with me. So the ring I ended up getting her looked similar to this one in the fact that it had a single diamond in the center. Had some diamonds set off on each side of it, and I really just liked how it looked, especially with the fact that it had a little bit of bling on each side of it that kind of really fit the style that she was after. It wasn't really, it was kind of discreet, but yet still had a nice little shine to it.
Weather Impact sponsored by Patterson Farm. The 2022 all-season passes are on sale right now. You saw the details for that during the break. For more information and to purchase your passes, visit pattersonfarm.com/all-season-pass. You can get additional details there and make your purchases. Remember, if you do purchase, use promo code FARMFUN. You'll save $10 off, and that promo code is valid through the end of the month. So make sure to take advantage of that. Patchy fog early this morning will give way to partly sunny skies as we move through the day today. Winds will be out of the south at around 5 miles an hour. Rain will move into the county and the area this evening, becoming widespread with a chance for thunderstorms overnight. Rainfall accumulations of 1 inch to 1.25 inches are possible before rain moves out during the morning hours on Saturday. Pollen Outlook sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. These guys take care of my lawn and I love it. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and more. For more information on services provided, give them a call 980-521-1937. Main pollen drivers are elm, juniper, and maple. And you can see we've got high levels of pollen today. We'll get medium levels tomorrow for a bit of relief thanks to the rain and some cooler temperatures. By Sunday, we get back into the high range again for Sunday and Monday. And then by Tuesday, after we've been dry for a couple of days and conditions are warming up, we'll be back up to the extreme levels for pollen. The mowing forecast looked like this. You've got plenty of time to get out there today and get it done during the daytime hours. Rain really doesn't move in until later this evening, really after the sun's gone down. So good opportunity to get it done today if you need to. Got a yellow light out there for Saturday. Even though the rain moves out during the morning hours, again, we can see 1 inch to 1.25 inches of rain. So your yard might be too wet to get it done as you get into the day on Saturday. And then for Sunday, we've got the green light back out there as we'll have been dry for a full day. And conditions will actually start to improve in terms of wind and the temperatures warming up a little bit more. The forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling. Built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. We'll see partly sunny skies as we move through the day-to-day, high of 61. As we head into the evening hours, clouds will be on the increase. We will see rain move in late this evening. 100% chance of rain tonight into the overnight hours. And we'll see isolated showers again as we get into the evening hours, widespread showers and thunderstorms possible overnight into the morning hours on Saturday. A low of 43 tonight on Saturday, a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms to start the day. The high will be at midnight, looking around 52 degrees. And the temperature is going to drop as we go through the day on Saturday, all the way down to 19 degrees and clear skies Saturday evening. Again, remember, winds are going to be gusty. We'll see winds gusting into the mid-20s, maybe even to the low 30s during the day tomorrow and into the evening on Saturday. For Sunday, we are sunny with a high of 51, low of 29 with partly cloudy skies Sunday evening. Charlotte FC playing Atlanta United this coming Sunday. That game's at 4:30, so earlier start than what we had last week. You can check that out on TV here locally, WSOC TV Channel 9. You can also watch it on, you can watch it on the Charlotte FC app. And then if you want to listen to it, you can listen to it if you're traveling or something on Sports Radio WFNZ 92.7, 610 AM. So opportunity there to listen to it as well if you happen to be traveling. On Monday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 63, partly cloudy skies Monday evening with a low of 37. Tuesday, partly sunny skies, high of 66, mostly cloudy skies Tuesday evening with a low of 45. And then for Wednesday, rain chances return, looking at a 30% chance of scattered showers during the day and into the evening on Wednesday, high of 68 with a low of 48. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with the Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Friday. And as always, thank you for following the Rowan County weather.